After having gotten a general overview of the manifold functions of Allplan, we will now construct the ground floor of our house in Lesson 5. This will include everything from walls to doors, windows, staircase, foundation, furniture, and dimensions. With the help of the Allplan wizards, this is all very easy and quick. First, we will show all the important information which we need for drawing. By double-clicking on the empty area of the drawing window, the building structure is opened. Here we deactivate the structural level ground floor. We open structural level 5, detached house, activate the ground floor, and make drawing file 550 Quick Start 5.5 active. This is a drawing file in which we want to import the template for a ground floor. All the required data is saved in the project folder, so it makes sense to choose the project as a standard path for importing. I open the Options from the Tools menu and then Global Options. On the Settings tab, I go to Save In. Here I select Project in the Import-Export settings. We close the dialog and choose the function Import AutoCAD Data, and in the folder Import we find the file groundfloorplan.dwg. I will quickly check to make sure this is the right file. Yes, that's correct. Now I import it with Open and OK. The ground floor is drawn on a new drawing file. We set the drawing file Quick Start 5.5 to passive. Drawing file ground floor plan is active. In order to view the entire floor plan, we press F5. Now we will construct the exterior walls of the ground floor. For this, we will use the wizards. Wizards can be compared to a kind of graphic clipboard. Predefined objects such as components or 2D elements are saved in the wizards and can be accessed at any time. I will demonstrate two ways of using the wizards. I can either take over the parameters of an object to create a new object using them, or copy the entire element from the wizard. Working with wizards is extremely quick. You can use predefined wizards or you can create your own using your drawing. Under Quick Start, we find the wizards that were prepared for you. In the wizard Quick Start basis, I choose Wall 01 by double-clicking with the right mouse button. The Wall tool opens up and all the wall properties are matched. I can therefore start drawing immediately. If the direction of the wall's offset is incorrect, you can change it here. And you can also edit the properties of the wall. We are dealing with a double-layered wall. The axis is the construction line of the wall. It is on the outer edge. Down here I can set the properties of the wall such as the geometry, the material, the format, and the display properties. I draw the wall by clicking in the floor plan. Press Escape and the wall command is completed. Next I will draw the cast-in-place concrete wall of the garage. Since we're connecting to an existing wall, Allplan helps us by showing a reference point. By clicking, I can place this point precisely and can then enter the desired distance from the reference point. A special feature of Allplan is to be able to create so-called profile walls such as the wooden louvers on the facade of the garage. For this, we can also find a component in the wizard. We will start the profile wall down here. I confirm the distance from the reference point by pressing Return and finish drawing the wall. We will now copy the fireplace as an entire object from the wizard. For this, we will mark the fireplace with the selection frame. By using Copy and Paste, I add the fireplace to the floor plan. Here we'll choose the drop-in point and we'll place the fireplace. In the animation window, we can check the results. It looks good. Using the same method, you can now draw the other walls of the floor plan. You can easily load a drawing file with information on which components were used. Switch to drawing file 548, ground floor plan instructions, components, and edit mode. The garage and the load-bearing interior walls are wall type 03, Here we have two glass walls of type 06. The non-bearing interior wall should be of type 04. The installation shaft in the kitchen is wall type 05. This is approximately what it should look like. Now we will place a column. The transport point will be set to the top right. The ground floor has many different opening types. For this we have also prepared a wizard. You can find the needed openings under Quick Start, Ground Floor. For entering the openings, it makes sense to display the walls with a transparency setting in order to better see the drawing in the background drawing file. For this I will choose the drawing file type Quick Start Digitizing. Drawing types are very useful because they allow us to define area styles and line styles for on-screen display and plotting. We will begin with the corner window. I mark it using a selection frame. With the commands copy and paste, I add the window to the floor plan. I choose the drop-in point here and place the window. Sliding door T02 in the hallway. With a double right mouse button click, we can select the door, define the right transport point, and place the door in the wall. I confirm the reference point by pressing return as well as the door width of 0.885 meters. With a click of the mouse, I can now switch the door swing and confirm it with the right mouse button. Press escape and the function is completed. To practice, add the other doors and windows to the ground floor plan. A predefined drawing file with information on which openings were used can also easily be loaded as we did before. For this, set drawing file 549 ground floor plan instructions openings to edit mode. And this is what it looks like. Next we will build the staircase. Under Tools, Architecture, Stairs, we select the tool Straight Flight. I will now define the outline of the staircase. Confirm with OK. The following values should now have been entered automatically: 2.66, 0, straight, 0.166, 0.27, 0.602, 16, THG, and 1. Allplan offers many other parameters which allow you to construct the staircase you want exactly. In Stair Component Properties, you can define every detail of the staircase, for example, the handrail. We close the window, set the text size to 1.5, the text direction to vertical, and place it. Let's check the animation window. Now the floor slab, the foundation, is missing. Since the building does not have a basement at this point in time, we'll use the Slab Foundation tool. In the component properties, we can set the height of the slab. The height association of the slab should be relative to the lower default plane. The height mark of the top edge of the slab will be 0.00 and the bottom edge will be 30 centimeters beneath this. Now we will draw along the outer edges of the building. It's that quick. To conclude this lesson, we want to add dimension lines to the floor plan. For this, we click on a wall with the right mouse button and choose the Dimension Walls tool. In the properties, we can define the appearance of the dimension lines exactly. The settings can then be saved as a favorite. We will load a favorite that I have prepared. You can find it in Favorites Project and confirm with OK. Select Walls to Dimension is confirmed with the right mouse button since we have already marked a wall. As a direction element, we choose the edge of the wall we want to dimension and place the dimension line. The ground floor is now finished. In the menu, I choose one viewport to get a better overview. In the next lesson, we will direct our attention to component heights and the plane model.